Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to set a custom watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or an image as a watch face. So before we start, if you want to use the custom watch face, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. We can open the Zepp application. In the app, you can tap on device. And here you should see your Active Max watch on the device page. Under it, you will see the watch faces category. Tap on it. It will open the watch faces store. And here we can tap, or rather not tab, but scroll down and look for the category called photo watch face. And once you find it, you can tap on find more. And here basically you have different templates, I would call them. Basically time on the right, time on the left, time on the bottom, time on the center, and time at the top. So select the template you like. And here we can customize it. We can add the photo to our watch face by tapping on add photo, and you have take photos, or take a photo and photos, my bad. Take photo is basically, it opens the camera application. You can take a photo and use it as a watch face, and photos opens the photos on your phone, and you can look for something you like from on your phone. For example, let's say I want to use this photo, and once you select the photo, you will need to crop the image because the whole image won't fit on a watch face. You can zoom in and zoom out, and you can move left and right. So whatever is going to be in this highlighted circle is going to be on the watch face. Select the part of the picture you like, then tap on select, and we have a preview of our watch face. Let's actually move the clock to the top, like this. You can also change the color of the clock if you want to. And I believe that's about all. And once you're done, you can tap on sync. It will start syncing, and once it's done, it will be applied on your watch, like this. Okay. And once you're done, of course, you can close the Zepp application, and that's how you set a custom watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.